Hey guys, welcome back my channel. Today we are talking about one of the easiest ways to give someone a gift they will actually use. American Express gift cards. That's right, we are diving into amexgiftcard.com where you can grab these awesome cards and learn how they work. Let's get into it. Alright, as you see, I am on amexgiftcard.com now. So first off, what is the deal with amexgiftcard.com? So it is official website where you can buy American Express gift cards directly from the source. These cards work just like a debit card but are preloaded with whatever amount you choose, as you see here. And since it's American Express, you know it's going to be accepted in most places, stores, restaurants, even online. So why would you get an Amex gift card or just, cash or another gift card? Simple. It's about giving flexibility and style. You can choose a specific dollar amount, and the card itself has that sleek Amex look that feels premium. Plus, unlike store specific cards, an Amex gift card gives people way more choice in how they spend it. And ordering is super simple. Just go to the mxgiftcard.com like me and pick a card design. There are some cool options as you see now, and load it with any amount between 25 and $3,000. You can send it to yourself for in-person gifting or ship it directly to the recipient, and you can even add a personal message so it feels a little more special. Alright, so let's break down some pros and cons. A big pro is definitely the flexibility. The gift card can be used almost anywhere American Express is accepted. Another plus, they don't expire. The balance just stays there until it is used up. However, there is one thing to keep in mind: a small purchase fee when you buy the card, so it's not completely free to load up. And one last thing, if you are giving or receiving one of these cards, make sure to keep track of the balance. You can check it anytime. You can check your balance on the right type of the main page here, or there is a check balance button here, and then I think balance window will open. Yeah, so you need to type your card number and expiration date and security code and your email. Then you need to click continue to see your card balance. Alright, that's for today's video. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know in the comments. Would you rather give or receive an Amex gift card? See you in next one.